Lillian is playing in the snow.
The snowball fight was so fun because we were chasing humongous chunks of snow from the pile.
Here's the snowman that Jacob and Lillian built. We had Doritos, so that's about what it got for its face.
All decomposed.
Yep. Oh, you squished it. Alright, another duty-free store. Big casino building. Oh, it's a Sheraton hotel. We're down a little farther. This is the Rainbow Bridge. And we're gonna go walk to the Bird Kingdom, which is on the other side. Alright, we're at the Bird Kingdom. And we're gonna go up the stairs to go see the birds. And we're still going upstairs. Up the stairs. Turtle.
Yes, we're the turtle. He's so cute.
Who's he? Huh? Oh yeah.
Where are they pink?
Why are they pink? That's the color they are. You got some sugar gliders.
Guess where they're at?
Look at him. Oh, they're so
The Toys and Thought Farms in here.
Look how colorful they are.
Oh, yeah.
That poor orange one is being left out. There's like 2 orange ones and the rest are yellow or greenish.
There's a gecko growling.
A tarantula?
It's right there.
Oh yeah. That's a big tarantula.
I know. He's hairy. Why are you so hairy?
That's nowhere near the one size we had. We had one only about half that size.
Yeah. Why is he so chunky?
Oh, we got an axolotl, huh?
So chunky.
That's a big axolotl.
No.
Yeah,
He's like so chunky. He's like a foot long.
That's like a huge axolotl.
Oh, there's another one right here, the black one.
Yeah.
Behind the shell.
It's in.
Behind the shell.
Oh yeah.
This exhibit's close.
Yeah, the black one's a little littler, but that big white one in the back, like, that's a big guy. Oh, we got a bat enclosure.
Whoa, there's tons of her bats. I really wanted her pet food.
We got a army of bats back there.
It's Batman Army. It's Batman's army.
Oh, now see, okay, here's the big, oh, look at the bird, Lily, you passed right by this one. Lily, you passed right by this one.
Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, look at the bird here. Hi. DJ.
It's a blue jay. Hello.
Oh, the green council is like $11.something.
Toucan.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, we're not doing that. We're just looking around. Look up there, Lily, your pink birds.
No, like they are ibis birds.
They look like, yeah, they look like our ibis birds, but these ones are pink.
Oh, my.
Well, I think we'll make it down there, I think.
Mom, I took a picture of
You did? Oh yeah. Chunky girl. Looks like they're pheasants. Alright, we got the birds in here. See.
Gold boy.
Gold boy.
Yeah, gold boy.
Look on the board, see what it is. Oh, see, I told you. It was a scarlet ibis. I told you it's an ibis bird.
Wait, there's tunnels. Mom got a crazy hair day.
Yeah. Well, it was right on hers, too. She's seen a golden pheasant.
Hey Mom, it makes a heart.
No. That's dinner right there. And the golden pheasant. Maybe. It's the floopy hair one, Lily says. Sneaky little bird. He's like,
I
ah.
thought he jumped into the water for a second.
Like, yep. I'm strutting. This is my territory. She's going to look at the white one. We got a big old, got a big old stump. They're like cleaning.
Both fighting.
Yeah, it's like they're cleaning each other. Lily got another snake to add to her collection. Following Lily's first. Yeah, we are in the Hershey store, which goes all the way into the Coca-Cola store, which goes all the way into other stores. Sorry. It's full of candy everywhere. Oh, this must be the free family portrait since they forgot to plug it in and charge it, so it's unavailable. So that might be our free family portrait. Definitely got to come back for this. Okay, so this is the casino one next to the Hard Rock Cafe. Casino! And my kids, as we were trying to find the food, there was a Pizza Hut Express, but it's actually in the casino building, right there. So. It's a Circle K.
Yeah, it's a Circle K. You can't call it
Here
a
in
Circle
Canada.
K gas station because there's no gas pumps. We used to sing a Circle K gas station, but
like epic, like when you're going to one of the little like theme parks.
I can't remember the people. Where is it?
It's a little putt-putt. It's mini golf. It's mini golf. Lillian said, no way in hell.
I would rather go.
Lillian, are you sure you don't want to see Dracula?
I'd rather go to hell than go inside that.
We are in the Sky Wheel.
Snow,
Woo!
snow,
Oh, see, they don't have it open. That's the go-kart, the track I was talking about.
Oh yeah.
because it's snow.
Yeah, because they would have to clear off the track. Oh, look, and then Niagara Falls and all this stuff's gonna be down that way, and the river, and hotels, and oh, that's the mini putt-putt golf thingy down there,
Hey, look, it's the Ice Age. There's a mammoth down there.
which is pretty much just like an arcade, your little theme stuff. It's kind of like a boardwalk. Down.
So Lily, look how high we are.
I know.
How are you doing, Lily? And you?
Good. I thought you're scared of heights.
What? No.
No, she's not. Oh my God! All the things she went on a high swing, like, and rode the like bungee swing and the slingshot. She ain't afraid of heights. That was because we mentioned the zip line. It wasn't the height. It was a zip line portion. You want to do the zip line?
No.
See? Does it open these doors and just jump into his mouth? No. Yeah, it's the Ice
He's
Age.
protecting his babies.
Yeah, at least.
15 maybe. Oh, look at that. Oh, lights over there. Lights are coming out.
And my hands are freezing. Even though I have gloves.
That's because you ate ice cream. So after the snowfall from last night, we came back to the falls to see all the snow kind of slushy melting with everyone walking on it. But it'll freeze tonight, so we're probably gonna have ice now tomorrow.
Yeah. And we're probably not going to be able to drive.
This is the top. Remember, we were over there on the fall side, on the falling down side, whatever you want to call it. Remember what she was saying on the bus?
Huh?
So that pump station, the power station, they have them closed right now because of construction. They say if they had all the gates open, this whole island, all that stuff would be in a rock. You wouldn't see any of it. It would be filled up all the way up to the wall up here.
Oh.
Yeah, they say the water. She said it's really, really low right now because the fact they have all the floodgates closed. The snowman didn't survive the day. It wasn't cold enough. They all melted into a slurry slush.
It's just no, we know that wasn't melted.